Hello, good. Here I am going to answer the next question. It is 40 and the battery is waterproof. Well, I bring you good news. The 40 sensor that is. The bracelet is resistant to dust and water at a depth of up to 10 meters, approximately 32 feet for up to 10 meters, 2 hours of submersion, so you can continue capturing your data without interruptions. Web 40 can be used for most activities that involve water, such as swimming in a pool, swimming in the sea, hands, showering, baths, etc. But Web 40 does not. It can be used for diving. The Web 40 battery is resistant to dust and water at depths of up to 1 meter. That is approximately 32 feet for also 2 hours, meaning that the up battery is not prepared to be submerged deeper of 1 meter. So nothing. This is all. I have left a gift in the link in the description where you can buy the up bracelet with 1 month totally free. So nothing. This is all. See you later.